type of love that never goes away. You can have it for dogs, you can have it for your significant other, or your insignificant other, as my case might be. Because if it's really love, it doesn't matter how rotten things are, it's always there, you know? Even when they go, or even when you go, it's still there. If you're lucky. If you're lucky with that stuff. There we go. So I call this one Songbirds. I've been watching you spread your wings as you fly into the sun. See the bodies and the shiny things as you drop them one by one.